Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can change fonts on iPhone iOS 18. So first up here, just need to open up your settings and then from here, go to General. Once you tap on General, scroll down until you find the fonts. Here on this section, you will find System Fonts. And then you just have to select any fonts here that you want to choose on your device. And you can basically tap on the download button to download the font right here so you can be able to use them. Or you can also go to the App Store. If you want a specific font to your device, just need to search for fonts. You can search for fonts for iPhone, fonts for iPhone 3, and then tap on search, and you'll find different or a bunch of results right here that you can download. So that's how you basically change fonts. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.